Hi guys, today we are going to see how to find the square root of a number by using long division method. Let's take an example. We are going to find the square root of 4624. So first what we have to do is write this 4624. Now from last I have to separate it as two numbers. So this two and then I'm left out with this two. Okay, now what we have to take is take any perfect square. For example, perfect squares are two twos are four, so four is a perfect square. So like that, I have to see a perfect square number which is closer to 46. So when we think of that, we know that 6 are 36 is the closest and the smallest to 46. So I'm getting 10 as reminder. Now I have to bring this twin 2 and 4 both down, and I have to multiply this number with 2. So I am getting 12. 6 twos are 12. We have to multiply this number with 2. So I am getting 12. We have to always multiply the number we are giving it here with 2 and write it here. Here I have to do is I have to write I have to choose a number here. So whatever number I am choosing here, the same number should be written here. That means if I take 122, then I have to multiply it only with 2. If I am taking 124, then I have to multiply only by 4. So this is the rule. Here I am getting 1024. So I need to choose a number that gives me this answer. 4. We know that while multiplying, 2 twos are will give me 4, 8 eights are can give me 64, so 4 is in the unit place. I know 122 cannot give this answer, so we will multiply and see with 8. 128 into 8, 8 eights are 64, 8 twos are 16 plus 6 is 22, 8 ones are 8 plus 2 is 10. So yeah, I'm getting this answer. So I have to give 8 and here also 8, and I'm getting 1024, which is 0. So the square root of 4624 is 68. Similarly, let's do it for a 3-digit number. Now we are going to find the square root of 676. For we know that we have to write it inside 676, and we know that we are going to group it as two numbers. So from last, so 76, and I'm left out with 6. Now I have to see a perfect square number which is less than and closer to 6, that is 4. So 2 twos are 4. So I'm getting reminder 2, and I have to bring this 76 down, and we are going to multiply this number by 2. So 2 twos are 4. So whatever number I'm giving here, the same number I should multiply and get the answer. So here it is ending, the unit digit is 6. So 6 are 36, and 4 fours are 16. So these two have the unit place as 6. So I have to check with that. 46 into 6 is 6 are 36, 6 fours are 24 plus 3 is 27. So I'm getting it with 6. So I have to give 6 here and also 6 here. So 276 and the remainder is 0. So 26 is the answer. You find this as a very long and time consuming method, we have certain tricks to find the square root of the numbers. Let's check how to do that. Now we are going to find the square root of 4624. We have already done this and we know the answer by using long division method. We got the answer as 68. Now let's do it using a trick. Okay, I'm going to get an answer which is a 2-digit answer. Okay, now so we know that when we take square root for a 4-digit number, we will obviously end up getting a 2-digit number. So okay, For the unit place, what we have to do is, here you have 4 in the unit place. Now we have to check where the 4 comes here. So here 2 square gives me 4 and 8 square gives me 64. So either this must be 2 or 8. So either it must be 2 or 8 in the unit place. For this place, I have to check these two numbers. 46. Here I have to see which number is closer here. Here it is 36 and 49. So it must be lying in between here. We are going to take the lowest number, so 6. So the first will be 6, first digit. So in the tens place it will be 6. Now what we have to do is multiply this 6 with the next digit 7. I am getting 42. This 42 is lesser than 46. When the number I am having is greater than or equal to 42, then I will take the greater number. If my number is lesser than the number I am getting by multiplying it with the next number, then I will take the smaller number. Now I have greater number, so I will also take the greater number here. So 68 will be my answer. Now let's do it for the 3-digit number, 676. Here also, when I take square root, I will end up with a 2-digit number. Here, since I have 6, I have to take these two numbers and I am left out with 1. For in 76, the unit place is 6. So here I have to check 4 and 6 is there. So either 4 or 6 can be the answer. For the tens place, here I am with 6. So it must lie somewhere between 2 and 3. The smaller is 2, so I will put 2 here. Now I have to multiply this 2 by its next number, which is 3. So we know that 2 3s are 6. Here I am having 6. So 6 is equal to, so the number I am having is equal to this number. We already know that when the number is greater than or equal to, we will take the greater number, and the number we are having is lesser than, we will take the small number. Since it is equal, we are going to take the greater number. So 26 will be the square root of 676. You can also try this by using various other numbers. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.